everybody, it's Dave with Tile and Grout, the Smile About, and I'm on my way to a customer's house right now. They called me last week to do an estimate for them. They just moved into the house not too long ago and hired some, quote, painter that they ended up firing to paint their house and everything, and the guy got paint splatters all over the place and in the grout lines and stuff like that. So I'm going to remove all that latex paint from the grout joints and stuff, and they also want me to go and do a small tile repair. They had a tile that wasn't set properly, so it's all hollow and it's starting to crack, and grout's missing and stuff like that too. So I'm going to pop that tile, fix some of their grout as well. So check it out. Okay, so I arrive at the job, and this customer decided to paint the rest of their house or give their rooms another coat. I think they figured because I was coming here to clean up the flooring and the damage that was already done, that I was willing to do even more work for the same price. So I have to charge them more, and this is what we're getting involved into now. This is the tile I'm going to replace right here. It's hollow. Listen. You can see the grout's missing and such. But yeah, paint speckles all over. So I put down the alkali solution, agitate it with my floor machine, and extract it out. Should come out fine though. Master bathroom even, which I haven't gotten into yet. I think the guys in there sleeping. So it's gonna be a fun day. Love it. So I haven't even really started the initial cleaning. What I did is I used a solvent and just kind of went over with my floor machine here and started to just do a little minor scrubbing and stuff, and a lot of that paint is just coming up. There's a couple little dabs, but they're just basically little flakes that came up during the process. So and just coming right off now, no big deal. So I'm gonna finish up doing the rest of this area here, and I left a little bit here. Gobbledygook paint all over. Extract that out. Coming out nice. Banging out that paint. A little bit of dip splashy stuff, but I'll just go back over, knock those out. And see the tile I just pulled out. Whoever installed these tiles did it all wrong. They used the wrong thin set, and stuff is really just popping off. So I'm just gonna put an extra piece of tile. I'll post another link to that video. Now this is just a dry patch basically. I haven't put my alkali solution down yet. This is a solvent spray I put. All right, so now we're gonna apply the alkali solution. Get some of this grime and dirt and build up off the grout joints here. It's specifically designed for tile and grout, and I'll be using my 4 machine with this well. And the reason I am cleaning first and then doing the tile repair or replacing it is because I don't know yet exactly what color this grout is. So this is the 8-to-1 solution I'm putting down. Product I use is by New Line. It's a really good alkali tile. Sorry, truck mount forums and Sager, but this seems to work really well for my situations that I come across. Don't get me wrong, I think Groutmaster and Tsunami are excellent boosters, but New Line just has the extra kick. This just isn't getting into the grout as good as I want it to. I use CRB. Let's see what it looks like when I just use grout brush alone. That gets much better into it. You see that? I think this is white grout.
nice and clean, back to new condition again. Still a teeny bit damp in some areas, but that's all right. And I'm going to use my grout stick here. We're gonna seal it all up, and then we'll be done. Happy. Looks great. Alright, I'm going to go here, folks, because this is going to take a little while to do here. And, yeah. Tile and Grout to smile about. Old Port Charlotte, Florida. 941-237-0466. Have a great day, everybody. Make your comments below. Like and subscribe. Oops, gotta concentrate here. Like and subscribe. Have a great day.